consider to form a company. With the help of experts, the company prepares a detailed plan of the proposal industry and frames rules and regulations regarding its functioning. They then draft a proposal, issue a prospectus in the name of the company, explain the plan of the project, and invite the public to invest money in this project. They thus pull up the required fund from the public by assigning them shares of the company. Shares and dividend capital. The total amount of money needed to run the company is called capital. Shares. The whole capital is divided into small units called shares. The person who subscribes in shares is called a shareholder. Dividend. The annual profit distributed among shareholders is called dividend. Nominal value of a share. The value of a share printed on the share certificate is called its nominal value or face value. Market value of a share. The share of different company can.
जैसे तुमसे कह रहा हूँ रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है 10 मिनट की रिकॉर्डिंग बची है थोड़ी तो हाँ ले जाना यार ये ले जाना है कहो ना मैं बोलूँ नहीं मैं ला तो रहा हूँ मैं कहता हूँ